lamb. I absolutely love it. But for some reason, it's just not part of Singapore's cuisine. I've always wondered why. Our taste buds have become fast friends with Asian and Western food alike. We eat our chicken, our beef, our pork, and all that seafood. But lamb just didn't quite make the cut. I want to change that. Lamb can be simple and delicious, trust me. And just in case you don't, at least trust my mom. Hey, I'm a good eater, but my mom is a fantastic cook. This is LMYR recipe. So today we're going to cook Lamb Buah Keluak, which is a very famous Peranakan dish, but this time with a twist. Because usually it's with chicken and prawn and pork, but we've changed all that to use it with just lamb. So why I know this dish so well is because of my Peranakan side, or mum's side of the family. And it's the Chinese that have come down from the Straits of Malaya, and it's a kind of an amalgamation of two cultures, so to speak. And this is one of the dishes that is just so well known and recognized in the Peranakan cuisine. I've grown up eating it. I absolutely love it. And today we're actually going to show all of you how to cook it. Okay, Mom, so what's the first thing?
Now I'm trying to show you how to process doing this nut. This is how it's done. Knock it.
This is where people think cooking is easy, but
a lot of work.
It is a lot of work.
Now this minced meat, lamb minced meat.
Pop this into this bowl.
Correct.
And this is already...
Some of it is in there.
Mixed with some mince already.
Mince,
So
yeah.
this is what the consistency will look like once you mix it together. Okay. Right, so what you're gonna do is mix about a quarter of the minced lamb to the Buah Keluak flesh.
Correct.
Minced
Make
lamb
sure
and the flesh.
the pulp and the flesh are evenly mixed.
Okay, what's next?
So now I'm going to fill in the empty shell, put it back again. And that's it.
That's it, okay. So can we tell everyone what other ingredients are needed and what's the next stage in this process?
All right, as you can see, all these are needed for the spice paste. Dried chili, shallot, candle nut, garlic, blue ginger or lengkuas, ginger, yellow ginger, fresh chili, chili padi. If you want it spicy, you add the chili padi, and lemongrass. You must knock the end to crush it, and belacan, which is prawn paste.
Okay. So the rempah here becomes your foundation of the Buah Keluak gravy. So that, at least we've got done.
Yeah.
And now this.
Right. This is lime leaves, and this is cinnamon stick, and this is tamarind pulp.
So Mom, we've got everything set now to actually start cooking, is that correct?
Right.
Okay.
Shall we go to the stove now?
Yes, we should.
Okay then.
Okay.
Not too. First, I have to put 7 spoonfuls of cooking oil. Slowly, or else
Slowly.
the oil will splatter. Yeah. Now you put in the spice paste. Wow. Not too low, because I want the aroma.
Wow, you definitely got the aroma. Roughly how long do you think, Mom? Something like this?
Yeah, about 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, son, can you bring out the lamb shoulder, please?
Yep. Okay, Mom. Here's the lamb. So now I'm going to help Mom make the tamarind juice.
Juice.
Okay. Just like that. Straight in. And what's going to happen is that's going to dissolve and break down.
Oh, that's hot. Now I have to put the lime leaf in, which you have to shred it with your fingers like that. Wow. Can smell? Can you smell the lime leaf? If you are ready, son.
Oh, I'm ready, Mom. So we got to sip it out, obviously, because we got seeds and whatnot inside. So
Lower. No, there's liquid, it won't burn.
I know. What are you doing now, Mom? Cinnamon?
Yeah.
Cinnamon, okay.
Cinnamon. I think I need
What do you need?
water.
A little bit of just water?
Just water.
So folks at home, this is where a little bit of cooking experience comes into play.
Okay, right. Now we pour into the...
Pot.
Yeah.
Okay. I will do that for you, Mum.
Yeah.
Straight onto heat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. Put some water in there to rinse it and then pour in.
Every little bit counts.
Correct. That's it.
Okay. Okay, so how long does this cook for now, Mum?
For 10-15 minutes.
Okay, and then we add the Buah Keluak.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we can go sit down for a moment?
Yes.
Okay, please,
Okay.
come.
Ah.
Okay, Mom, Buah Keluak.
Yes.
All of these, just put them in.
Yeah.
Here. Okay, one more.
Yeah.
Here. Okay. How long this would take now to cook?
I think the most is 15 minutes.
Oh wow, so really quick. Great. Oh, good, because I'm hungry. It looks good, Mom.
Okay. Now you can cover up.
Oh, okay. Okay. So Victoria, Craig, thanks for joining me and Mum. Mum's done a lot of hard work cooking these dishes. But just to give you a quick rundown, we've got the lamb rendang, the lamb buah keluak, got the lamb chops, and that goes with the sambal belacan, and the lamb bao. So this would normally be pork belly. It's something different because normally it would be either beef or chicken, and we're just trying to localize lamb a little bit more and see if it works. So, bon appetit.
Oh, where do we start?
Yeah, I'm gonna go
Whatever.
for a bao first.
Yeah.
Have you had buah keluak before?
Yes, and
Okay.
I love that dish. It was one of the first
Ooh,
Peranakan
this
dishes
one.
I had.
Ah.
It made
This
me
is
fall in
very
love.
Peranakan. I think you take the one with the sauce.
Sauce? Okay.
Sorry, just reaching
Okay,
over
so how
as
much
well.
chili should I put on this?
As much as you want. Crazy.
Is it all right?
So, yeah.
Oh, it's delicious.
Get you some lamb.
Yeah, on the rice.
Oh, thank you.
that
Yes,
there?
please. Yeah, together.
Yeah.
You can try some of the lamb in there as well.
Harmony. This is great.
Spicy to it.
Okay.
This is so good.
The lamb tender.
Wow, that works.
It
I
works.
did not expect that.
Yeah. So just curious here, but what do you think? Have we kind of hit the nail on the head here by trying to localize lamb a little bit?
Yes.
Definitely.
Definitely. I didn't even think I could eat so much lamb in one sitting. But
Okay.
And they're
Taste.
all really good.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
This is my favorite.
Yeah?
I
This
see.
one?
Yeah, you like that?
Victoria will have
Is the sauce the same as the pork? Exactly
Yes,
the same.
it is the same
It's
sauce.
tender, right?
Yeah.
Tender.
There you have it, folks. Lamb. It's a lot more versatile than you think it is. So next time you go shopping for your meats, you can bypass the chicken, pork, and beef and live a little. Try some lamb. I think Mum's proved it with these dishes, and she's replaced it with lamb perfectly. So thanks, Mum. You did a great job. And hopefully, Mum's recipes will help you out, whether you're a professional or you're an amateur. Thanks, Mum. Thanks, guys. And thank you at home for joining us on Lamb Me Your Recipe.